Hi all, and welcome to another Archipelago update. You've heard us talk about our FishVue LIME system, and today we're going to give you some real-world info about this entry-level EM system. This is now the third year that we've been operating LIME in the California and Washington State Dungeness crab fisheries. This year we've got 570 active vessels out of about 700 installed systems. During the 2025 season, those LIME systems generated more than 1.5 billion measurements, all in support of better fisheries management. And in 2026, we're on track to double that number. A little bit about LIME. It delivers high-resolution monitoring at a fraction of traditional electronic monitoring costs. In fact, it's less than $50 per month per vessel for a fully equipped system. That really changes what's possible for fleet-wide coverage. The real shift, however, is fishers get access to their own data. Through our FishVue Fleet tool, they can understand their fishing behavior, analyze patterns, improve efficiency, and reduce their risk. Monitoring becomes insight. Insight becomes better decision-making for those fishers. In Washington and California trap fisheries, LIME and Fleet are already helping mitigate whale entanglement, reduce gear theft, and inform more marine spatial planning activities. Fishers can now demonstrate with defensible data the value of their fishing grounds. In partnership with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, we're expanding LIME to include advanced gear tracking capabilities, enabling even better understanding of gear usage and impact. LIME and FishVue Fleet are turnkey solutions built for exactly that future, supporting crab, lobster, and diver fisheries around the world. At Archipelago, our goal is simple: deliver scalable, affordable tools that help fisheries thrive, today and into the future. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about FishVue LIME or any of our EM products, you can reach us at the address on the screen.